In general, those that want to go into physical therapy want to help somebody, and I think that's consistent with healthcare. I think we want to go beyond that. I think we want to be able to change people's lives.
My name is Bethany Nguyen. I am a second-year student in George Fox's Doctorates of Physical Therapy program. The program is wonderful in a sense that it's so community-based. I feel like the connections that I build with my classmates are not just on a friend-based level, but it's almost like family. The facility here at Fox is great. I was really impressed at the state-of-the-art anatomy lab that we have.
Some other space that we have would be the biomechanics lab, a sophisticated laboratory that includes force plates and infrared cameras, high-speed cameras, ultramyography, and a diagnostic ultrasound.
The professors really push you to the limit and past the limit, and you actually get to see what you're really capable of.
My name is Ryan Bogus. I'm a third-year student here in the George Fox Doctor of Physical Therapy program. The way George Fox teaches is for us to think for ourselves and for us to not just be passive in our learning, but to try and have an impact everywhere we go. And I feel like I've been able to do that. But I think what really makes this program special and what really drew me to it was the people and the immediate connection I made with them. The clinical placements that we have been great, and every single place we've gone, they've been impressed with our education.
My name is Micah Strong. I'm a second-year George Fox Doctor of Physical Therapy student. One of the reasons why I chose George Fox as the school to attend was because of their focus in research. I feel like it's very important to have sound evidence in what you're doing, especially if you're giving therapy to a patient. As a physical therapist, you spend probably more time with your patients than a lot of other healthcare professions. So at George Fox, they teach us the clinical side, the science side, the intervention side, but also they start to implement the personal aspects, and that starts from the professors interacting with the students, and then all that you carry over to your clinic.
One of the big reasons why I chose George Fox was because of their core values that they hold. I love how they really focused in servanthood. We get to provide free care for people in the community who don't have access to health insurance.
I love the vibe here, and I actually really enjoy coming to school every day, and I miss it when I'm not here. Seeing the vision of the program here and where we want to be and where we want to go, that really lined up with my own personal values and vision for where I want to be as far as innovation, being at the top of the field, and I think that's really what the makeup of George Fox is.
You as a student will be known, and so we make sure that we are engaging in not just education but in their lives.